Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video, I'm going to be trying out your recommendations to me from Zepto Cafe. So let's get started. Honestly, so far I have only ordered once from Zepto Cafe and that was also for content. I have never really personally ordered like dinner type things, and a lot of people have been eating from there. So I thought, why not try something with your recommendations so I don't fail miserably. And I made notes from your recommendations and picked out the most popular things. Most recommended thing was the Vietnamese cold coffee. I had like in 1 hour over 15 people, 20 people had just recommended this. Okay, it's dripping. How do you drink this? Okay, there is a opening thing, but it's dripping. कैसे पीऊँ मैं? Apart from the poor packaging, it tastes very nice, very refreshing, I don't know how to tell it. It's not the best Vietnamese cold coffee I've had. It's really not. But काम चल जाएगा. Like if something fancy is not available or I'm on a budget, this can definitely work. I think I would give this a 7 on 10, but I do see what the hype is about. अभी कुछ खाते हैं. Next we have the garlic bread with cheesy dip, which is a very Domino's concept. Like that is the only place where I have garlic bread with cheesy dip. So I'm excited to see if we have an alternative for it. It doesn't smell like Domino's at all. The cheesy dip looks very similar, though white color ka hi hai. Even the shape of the garlic bread, very similar. Let's try it. It's not hot. Someone told me कि गरम आता है खाना. It's not hot. It's very oily. Domino's is so unhealthy, फिर भी इतना oily नहीं है. What? They've nailed it. The flavor is replicated. Oh my god. I can't stop eating. I love it so much. If this would taste like Domino's, it would be the end of the world, but the taste is so similar. The garlic flavor is spot on. The oregano flavor spot on. Even the cheesy dip, super similar. You can't tell the difference. Definitely a 10 on 10. I can finish this entire thing right now. Next, everyone has recommended the cheese Maggi. I don't know why you guys would order Maggi from outside. Like, ये तो बना सकते हो ना. मतलब I hate cooking and I cannot cook to save my life, but ये तो मैं भी बना लेती हूँ. And all they've done is put a cheese slice on the Maggi, which is the least effort you could put. I don't know why people recommended cheese Maggi so much. Let's try it. Do you think they put the extra 2 packets of masala like we do? They don't. There's no extra masala. It tastes very bland. Cheese का flavor है because cheese ऊपर डाला हुआ है. This is very hot, by the way. मतलब it's Maggi. You can't really go wrong with it. But अपना वाला मजा नहीं है इसमें. I feel like I would give this a 5 on 10 because it's not even cheesy, it's not even flavory. They've just put 1 packet of masala and done nothing to make it yummier. I would definitely not order it again. So unless you have a mad Maggi craving, go for it. But I don't think this is very satiating, so 5 on 10. Another drink that people recommended was the avocado smoothie, which I've been told is part of their new menu. मैंने actually कभी avocado smoothie try नहीं किया है. I only eat avocado on toast. So I don't even know what to expect out of it, honestly. It smells like lassi. I swear that's the only thing I can think about. It smells like lassi. Who likes this? Why do you like this? It's so bad. You can't taste avocado. It just feels like I'm drinking cold dahi with no flavor. It's not sweet, it's not salty, it's not sour, it's nothing. It's just like, it's not even good lassi or chas, nothing. It's just bland. It's the most blah thing ever. क्यों बनाया है ये? क्यों पसंद है ये? 0 on 10. It's horrible. Next up we have kurkure momos. This is what they look like. Doesn't smell of anything. I think ये वाली चटनी है मोमो वाली. मोमो की चटनी नहीं है. This is chili oil. I think I can eat it with this, but मोमो की चटनी नहीं है. This is also warm. Why is it so good? It's so good. बहुत सारा flavor है. It's spicy. It's a bit tangy also. Wow, that's really nice. इसमें चटनी नहीं है, I think, because it's not required. If I have a momo craving, this is where I'm going. It gets a good 9 on 10 from me. Next, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला and my friend Urvi also told me कि उनके Tex-Mex nachos are really nice. So let's try it. Also guys, I think I've ordered about 8 things. I'm not sure. 7-8 things I've ordered. And the bill was some 1200 rupees, which I honestly think is quite good. Like they've kept a really nice price point in mind. ऐसे आता है. Why is there pomegranate in this shit? Okay, whatever. Anyway, so I've taken some cheese, jalapeno and chips. I mean, can't really go wrong with this. Actually, let's try the salsa. Garam hai salsa. None tastes very good. Nope. The cheese though. The cheese is very nice. I mean, it's just some cheese sauce and veggies scrambled around. ठीक है. I honestly like my nachos to have beans. I like them to have sour cream. I like it to be fully presented in a plate. I get why they don't deliver it like this because obviously soggy हो जाएगा. But ठीक था ये. I would give this a 7 on 10. I don't think I would call for this ever again. Last we have dessert. Everybody honestly recommended the tiramisu and the chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse had way more votes, so let's do that. It comes in 3 layers. Ooh, very indulgent. That's the shit, boys. That's the shit. So good. Creamy, thick, not too sweet, which I kind of like. But give this a good 8 on 10. It's very nice if you want to satisfy that urgent 5 minute में मुझे कुछ मीठा खाना है craving. It's amazing. I took a break to apply my lip gloss and I ended up eating 2 more of these garlic breadsticks. Literally nothing else comes close. I love it so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know what your favorite food from Zepto Cafe is. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!